Imagine a morning in the near future where you wake up not because an alarm clock is forcing you to work, but simply because you want to. You open your phone and check your investment account. The passive income generated from the asset portfolio you have quietly built over the years is already enough to cover your family's entire lifestyle. You no longer have to trade a single hour of your labor just to survive. This is not a dream. This is the result of a calculated financial operating system that the top 1% use to buy back their absolute freedom. Most of the crowd out there is trapped in a vicious cycle: earn, spend, and burn out. They only understand the concept of saving in a passive way. But if you want to break through that barrier to achieve true financial independence, you need to upgrade the entire operating system in your mind through the 10 core strategies below. Strategy number 1, shift your lens on money. The elite view money through a completely different filter. While the crowd sees a dollar bill as a voucher to exchange for instant gratification, the rich look at every dollar in their pocket as a junior employee. If you throw it into a trendy outfit or a depreciating car, you have just fired that employee permanently. To become truly wealthy, you must start shifting your capital into self-generating cash machines like index funds, blue chip stocks, or rental real estate. Just look at the people who own shares in Coca-Cola or Apple. They don't need to work in the factories, yet the dividend cash flow still rolls in consistently year after year. Make your money work fiercely so it can eventually liberate your own labor. Strategy number 2, make your future your most important bill. The crowd always runs on a well-worn track: earn money, spend it, and then save whatever is left over. The result is that they burn through everything and never have surplus capital, because random unexpected expenses always miraculously pop up at the end of the month. The wealthy completely reverse this equation by treating their own financial future as the single most important bill that must be settled first. The moment income hits their account, the non-negotiable move is to immediately slice off 20% and route it straight into a long-term investment portfolio. Take a page out of the self-made millionaire playbook. They view this 20% as a mandatory tax levied for their own future, and only then do they optimize and reverse engineer their lifestyle within the remaining 80%. Strategy number 3, establish an emotionless automated system. Never bet your wealth on human willpower, because willpower will always lose to sophisticated marketing campaigns and the buy now buttons on e-commerce platforms. The only way to defeat the weakness of instinct is to adopt the exact automated deduction tactics used by banks or utility companies. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account straight into your investment vehicles or high-yield savings accounts. Do this on the exact day your income lands. Before the money even has a chance to touch your hands, it must already be deployed to work. People enrolled in retirement programs are textbook examples. They wake up wealthy after a few decades, simply because the money was deducted directly from their payroll before they ever had a chance to see it or spend it. Strategy number 4, crush the ghost of lifestyle inflation. The hard truth is that an increase in income does not mean your standard of living has to increase proportionally. Rushing to upgrade from an older convertible to a financed luxury SUV just to chase a brief hit of dopamine and win the admiration of your coworkers is the fastest way to become a slave to higher tier bills. Look at Warren Buffett. Despite controlling a massive fortune, he still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and drives a very ordinary car. True wealth is defined by what you keep, not by what you show off. Therefore, whenever you get a raise or a big bonus, intentionally freeze your current living expenses, funnel that delta into your investment engine, and apply a 48-hour cooling off rule to kill any impulsive buying decisions. Strategy number 5, focus on expanding unlimited income. Tightening your belt and cutting out your morning latte will only keep you from going broke. It will not make you rich. Cutting expenses always hits a ceiling because you always need a baseline to live. But conversely, your earning potential is completely uncapped. Diversifying your income streams through high-value skills or intellectual property is the ultimate leverage to accelerate your financial engine. Strategy number 6, build a steel wall around your principal. This is the ultimate survival rule of the financial elite. The poor and middle class often take the principal they have spent years grinding to accumulate and blow it on a 5-star vacation or tech gadgets that depreciate the second they are unboxed. The rich are different. They never kill the goose that lays the golden eggs. They erect a steel wall around their principal account and absolutely never touch it for consumption. If they want to buy a luxury watch, they deploy that principal to invest and generate a 10% annual return, then use that exact yield to foot the bill. If the interest isn't enough, it simply means they are not yet rich enough to own that item. Strategy number 7, manage money coldly with data. You cannot manage what you do not measure, and financial ambiguity is the ultimate enemy of wealth. The human brain tends to automatically erase the pain of spending, making you hallucinate that you are spending very little until you see your account hit zero. Learn how major corporations manage cash flow. They audit every single penny. You must stop guessing by using spreadsheets or financial apps to track exactly every dollar going out. From recurring streaming subscriptions you haven't touched in months to minor parking fees. Take this seriously for just 30 days, and you will see exactly where your ship is leaking so you can patch it up in time. Strategy number 8, opt out of the fake affluence game. The crowd tends to spend money they don't have, to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. The real financial elite do not care about that vanity game. Look at the tech founders in Silicon Valley. They often show up in minimalist t-shirts worth a few dollars, but own companies valued at billions. They prefer owning raw financial power and peace of mind over a flashy but hollow exterior. Intentionally embrace living below your means in the early stages, and let your investment portfolio balance provide your validation and security shield. Strategy number 9, respect the law of time and the power of compounding. Building assets is a marathon, not a sprint. The biggest trap for amateur investors is the get-rich-quick mentality, which leads them to blindly follow hype groups and chase high-risk speculative bets, only to end up wiped out overnight. Remember the story of the rolling snowball. It starts incredibly small, but the further it rolls, the more snow it absorbs, eventually becoming massive. Investing works the same way. Focus on a consistent investment strategy. Dollar cost average into safe portfolios regardless of whether the market is up or down, and let the power of compounding run your assets for 10 to 20 years. Strategy number 10, buy back the ultimate asset, time. Money is not the final destination. It is merely a vehicle to buy back the most precious commodity on earth, time. The essence of financial independence is reclaiming control over your life. Look at how the wealthy run their lives. Once they have capital, they don't do every trivial task themselves. They hire out house cleaning, outsource meal prep, or automate their business processes. They willingly trade money to buy themselves out of low-value, time-consuming tasks, thereby dedicating their entire, invaluable time bank to high-level strategic thinking, health, or being with the people they love. Launch your own financial revolution. Consistency will always matter more than perfection. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight, but you absolutely must take the first step. Right now, perform a micro habit that takes exactly 5 minutes. Open your financial app, set a goal, or create a separate sub-account named Freedom Portfolio. Transfer your first small amount of capital into it to mark the official launch of your system. Be patient, keep a cold head, and start building your financial empire today. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. I wish you success in applying these strategies and taking steps toward building your own financial freedom. See you in the next videos.